what's up, man? Yeah! Bro, sick party, man.
Thanks,
You want to
bro.
send some brewskis?
Yeah, man, what's the fastest time you ever sent the brew?
It honestly depends on the diameter of the hole.
Huh. I wonder what the best diameter to be to send the brew.
Let's think about it and calculate it. All right, full send. So first off, we're going to start off with the Bernoulli equation. You can see our free body diagram here. You got 0.1 here. That's going to be our atmospheric pressure, also with our 0.2. And so we got our Bernoulli equation. You got P1 and P2 are going to be 0 because they're atmospheric pressure. And you got V1 is going to be negligible because it's such a small difference. So you got V2 and Z1 as our only parts in the equation. So you got Z1 equal to V2 squared over 2G, and you got V2. Whenever you rewrite the equation, you got V2 is equal to square root of 2G Z1. Now I'll pass it off to Brother Payton to explain the conservation of mass equation.
All right, bro. So now we got conservation of mass equation is d over dt mcv, which is mass, the control volume, equals summation of the mass flow in minus summation of the mass flow out. And since we only got nothing going in this can, it's going to be summation of the mass flow in is going to be 0. And we got mass of the control volume equals rho HA, which rho of beer, which is all Chads know, is 1,060 kilograms per meter cubed times the height times the area. And we get that, and we come out to MCV equals H times 2.518 kilograms per meter. And we got M dot out equals rho BA, which we calculate for each 3 of the diameters, and we get these values here. And now I'm going to pass it back on to Brother Colin to explain how we get the times from them values.
Full send back to me, baby. All right, so calculating the times, you get this equation, dH over dt, 2.518 is equal to square root of 1.475. And you're going to, whenever you do that, you're going to get this equation of the integral 0 to 0.13 of 1 over the square root of h. dH is equal to the integral from 0 to t of 1.475 over 2.518 dt. And you're going to get these values here, which you can come back to our chart right here, and you're going to see that our biggest diameter is also our fastest time, set by Chad McChadface, who was our fallen brother in 1995 here at McNeese. Yeah! That's 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters, baby. That's the biggest hole to get the fastest record set by Chad McChadface. Let's get it. Ooh, that's like 307 seconds, bro. New record. 307. New record. Let's go.